kakhulu kubona bonke abebekade behlela umcimbi, ngibonge kwa business support, ngibonge kubona bonke nje.
Sithole usizo olukhulu ngokuba khona kwethu la ukuthi ibhizinisi liyathuthuka nanokuthi sathola la sitshelwa khona ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho ukuze ube nabathengi lithuthuke kufanele wenze njani.
It's very important ukuthi abantu baphume out of their comfort zone and go and grab them opportunities, because into ngawuzuyithola if ukuthi uhleli phansi and ungasabi ucela ukuthi utshele ukuthi into is intimidating.